Panchayat, I warmly welcome you all to the Sabha. As you all know that the success of democracy mainly depends upon active participation of the people. Father of a nation, Mahatma Gandhi has told that Ramarajya can be seen in Gramarajya. Today I am very happy to see you all at maximum in number. I hope your participation and kind suggestions will help this meeting to be very successful and fruitful. So in this meeting, we are going to review about past resolutions, listen to issues and pass the new ones. So I request everyone to speak one by one.
Good morning, everybody. Welcome to the special Gram Sabha meeting of our village. As per the constitutional mandates, all adults in the village are the members of this Sabha. I am Ravi Kumar, your Panchayat Secretary, and call this meeting to order. In the last Sabha, we resolved to repair the Anganwadi, start village library, fix hand pumps, and organize a health camp. Only one hand pump has been fixed, the rest are pending.
Pending. Last time also you have promised to open the library in our village. Nothing is happened. All the neighboring villages are having libraries and many students and readers are making use of this. Why it is not happened in our village? What the panchayat members and officers are doing? Are you testing our patience?
भैया आप थोड़ा शांत रहिए, हम डिस्कस कर लेंगे.
All 25 members are present. The Sabha can begin.
So first we'll review of past resolutions.
The library promise has not opened. In every meeting you are promising, but works are not taking place. Students are waiting. Why was it ignored?
Yes, even classrooms need repair. Books are not enough. We need infrastructure also. Due to lack of facilities, children are taking PC from government schools and rushing towards private schools. In many places, government schools are closed. If this condition continues in our village school may also close.
मिड डे मील्स उसका क्या कहना? चावल कच्चे हैं, दाल मानो पानी है और रसोई की हालत देखने लायक है. कितनी सफाई है. अगर ऐसा ही चलता रहा तो हमारे स्कूल में बच्चे आना छोड़ देंगे और उनकी सेहत पर बुरा असर पड़ेगा.
Don't blame us alone. Supplies came late from the block. How will we cook food properly? Last week, there was a delay in supply of gas cylinder. Also, one of the cooking assistant was on leave due to ill health. Due to all these problems, it might have happened 1 or 2 days, not all the days.
हमें सब पता है दाल और सब्जी कहाँ जाती है और कहाँ आती है. किचन में तो दिखती नहीं, सीधा बाजार पहुँच जाती है.
Please stop it. Both sides have spoken well. We'll investigate it properly. So, if this is over, we'll move to drinking water and irrigation issues.
We will discuss about water issues. I also received several complaints about drinking water shortage in our village. The borewells near the school will dries up often. Many women are traveling 3 kilometers to bring the drinking water. That too, river water is contaminated and tap water leakage is also there. So, Gram Sabha need to take steps to solve the problem permanently.
In the Panchayat office, a big board has been put that our Panchayat is water sufficient village. But there is acute water shortage from the month of January onwards. Maybe some rich areas are getting, but the areas where we poor people are living, we rarely get water. In a week, once in a 3 days. In a week, once in a 3 days. That too nearly 30 minutes. The water will come and the flow is very slow. Due to this problem, many of us are not able to get pure drinking water. In some wards, water is sufficiently available. But the watermen are not ready to provide it in time. They are giving number of lame excuses like power shortage, blockage of pipelines, etc. They may be expecting some bribe. But how does a poor person can give a bribe to a basic requirement like water? Many poor families have to spend lot of money every month for buying bottled water for drinking purpose. What action is Panchayat going to take in this regard?
Remember, as per rural water guidelines, the Gram Sabha approves all drinking water plans, including financial plans. We should finalize the proposal here. I propose we deepen the existing wells and lay new pipelines from the borewell.
We also have funds under watershed and irrigation programs. If we build small check dams and recharge pits, that will help farmers. At the same time, I also request all the villages to use water judiciously. We found that all are wasting water. Wastage and overuse of water is not the problem of Panchayat, that is the problem of villagers. So, villagers must be conscious about any resource. Every drop of water is so precious.
Last year, we missed water pipe supply. Up to the end of the financial year, you are saying that it will be done, it will be done. At the end of the financial year, you are saying that the fund is over. Will this plan be completed this time?
Yes, today we approve the water scheme. Secretary, record the plan. Deep dig the wells, laying pipelines and community borewell recharging. We'll allocate Manrega labor for digging if needed. The Gram Sabha decisions will guide the Panchayat for implementing these plans. So now we'll move to road infrastructure and public works.
Our roads need attention. The main access road is full of potholes and street lights have been out for months. Whenever power cut is there, the roads will become dark. So we request Panchayat to put at least few solar lights.
Yes, Panchayat has to take immediate action in this regard. Last week itself, 2 motorbike accidents took place due to potholes in the roads and darkness in our village. One of the young man lost his valuable life and 2 bike riders got severe injuries. Why Panchayat is delaying? Whether it want to lose still more valuable lives?
In rains, the lane behind my house floods badly because the drain is blocked. It has not cleaned since long time. What the Panchayat is doing with the money which is passed for maintenance of drainage?
We have the power to maintain village roads under Panchayat Raj Act. The Gram Panchayat may lay out and make new roads, construct new bridges, enlarge, widen, open and improve any such roads. We should use those provisions. Definitely we'll take some necessary steps in this regard. Secretary, please note it.
I suggest we first fill the potholes with the available funds and then prepare a tender for the full repair. Manrega can provide us with the labor for cleaning the drain. And I request Public Work Officer to please release for the road work as soon as possible.
जैसे कि हमारे तो गांव में देख लीजिए 2-3 दिन से बिजली नहीं आ रही जिसके कारण बहुत सी दिक्कतें बढ़ती जा रही हैं। इस बात को मायने रखते हुए मैं ऑफिसर से यह कहना चाहता हूँ कि वह हमारे गांव एवं विद्यालय के किनारों पर स्ट्रीट लाइट लगाने की व्यवस्था करें।
Okay, I will arrange for the electrician. Let's list these works in priority. Pothole repairs, drain cleaning and street light replacement. Gram Sabha, please confirm.
Fine then. It's decided. The Panchayat will carry out the road repairs and maintenance as per our plan. So we'll move to education and school facilities now.
Our school building is damaged. Rain leaks through roofs and walls. We also lack enough benches and books.
The children were promised in new classrooms last year, but nothing happened.
Oh, this is important. Did we allocate funds already?
Yes, we had sanctioned for 2 classrooms, but construction started due to non-availability of sand and labor. The allotted fund is also not sufficient for completion of work. Let's push it now. Additionally, we have only 1 teacher for all subjects.
We held a children's Gram Sabha recently. Our students demanded digital libraries, toilets, playgrounds and classrooms in government schools. They also mentioned teacher shortages and transportation. And the students also warned that if it continues like this, they may go private schools.
Thank you. We'll request posting of required teachers, including English and Science, and use Manrega for the completion of classroom and playgrounds immediately.
In our Anganwadi, 50 children are studying and our Anganwadi children need play area too. The school has a big playground, but nowadays the number of the students in the school is very less. So we could use part of it for our Anganwadi children.
Good idea. I will coordinate with the diet. For now, Gram Sabha approves using local laborers for repair and construction of school facilities. And I will write to the education department for teachers and learning resources.
So now we'll move to health services and public health.
Health is wealth. The health of the rural people is also very important for all-round development of our economy. In this regard, the immunization and maternal health programs are running. However, we could have a health camp for eye and dental checkups.
We still face a doctor shortage and PHC doctors are visiting only once a week and so many elders are traveling long trips for medicines. Yes, night time any emergency means we have to go to district hospital of Dharwad only, which is 10 km away from our village. If we call ambulance, always it is out of order. So I request to Panchayat to make arrangement in our village PSC for emergency treatment.
Okay, I will ensure PhD doctors to visit daily and supply medicines to the local health sub-center. We can also organize a campaign health awareness program with the block medical team.
Cleanliness is next to godliness. We should also form a village health and sanitation community to monitor the nutrition and hygiene in our village.
Our self-help group can help spread awareness on nutrition and family welfare. We give awareness to village women regarding family planning and child health. We run women's meeting regularly.
Good. So Gram Sabha agrees to hold a health camp next month, establish the VHSC and coordinate with primary health center. Are all in favor? Yes. Okay.
हाँ, क्यों साहब? एक हम गरीबों का कोई भला नहीं होगा क्या? एक पेंशन का सहारा था, वो भी बिना कोई जानकारी के बंद कर दिया। क्या है साहब?
अरे भाई थोड़ा शांति बनाए रखिए। हो सकता है कोई कागजी कार्रवाई पूरी ना हो और ये ग्राम सभा आप ही लोग का तो है, बोलिए। और आप इतना कहते हैं तो चलिए फिर से लिस्ट अपडेट करवा देते हैं। हो सकता है आप जैसे ही और लोगों का भी पेंशन रुका हो, जानकारी ना मिली हो। आप चिंता मत लीजिए, आपका पेंशन दोबारा शुरू हो जाएगा अगर आप उसके उपभोक्ता होंगे।
I applied for rural housing scheme Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana last year, but I did not get selected. Why?
We will review the Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana beneficiary list. Any omission will be rectified, and Gram Sabha may recommend the names for housing benefits.
This year, the Social Welfare and the Backward Class Development Department has sanctioned rupees 5 lakh for providing sanitation facilities under Swachh Bharat mission that provides us incentives and support for construction of toilets. If anybody needs these facilities, please apply. Open defecation is a major problem in our country. So join your hands in Swachh Bharat Abhiyan.
Yes sir, we will apply for it. सुविधा तो हम सारी दे रहे हैं, परंतु कोई आगे आकर इसका लाभ उठाना ही नहीं चाहता। जिन्हें ये सुविधा तुरंत चाहिए वे आवेदन कर सकते हैं और मनरेगा मजदूरों की मदद से अपना काम पूरा करवा सकते हैं। दिन गिनने की कोई आवश्यकता नहीं है।
But sir, the fund you are allotting is not enough for the construction of toilet. We request to enhance the fund.
और हम भूमिहीन किसानों का क्या हम बेरोजगार ही रहेंगे? मनरेगा में मेरा अनुरोध मेहरबंदी के लिए 3 महीनों से लंबित है और अभी तक कोई कार्य नहीं मिला। क्यों?
We will submit a scheme list and the panchayat must finalize the Manrega projects like our water tank and road work. We will provide work to those who register. So, in summary, we'll recheck pension and housing list and allocate Manrega work fairly. The Gram Sabha empowers us to oversee these welfare programs. So, now we'll move to women's empowerment and self-help groups.
Our self-help group has taken a loan from bank and we need tailoring machine and marketing. And we also need more women to form SSGs.
We also request a community training center for women's crafts and leadership.
Last year, our panchayat had spent 5 lakh rupees for rural women for training and basic facilities. So this year also 5 lakh rupees has been sanctioned. So we will allocate this fund for different programs of empowering the rural women.
So, the Panchayat will facilitate skill training. Gram Sabha can support formation and strengthening few more of self-help groups. We'll budget for women's training workshop also.
We have program under Mahila Shakti. We should assist Mahila Mandals. I request all eligible women of group 18 to 45 apply for the benefits. Applications are available in Gram Panchayat. Secretary sir, please help them.
Yeah, so we approve partnering with a local NGO for women's skills. We will also look into an Anganwadi education improvement project as needed. So now we'll move to youth and skill development.
Many youths here are idle or migrate to cities. We need a computer training and jobs, also playgrounds and sports facilities.
The state has digital literacy programs. We can set up a computer center in Panchayat office. And for sports, we can use Manrega labours to build a volleyball court and indoor badminton court also.
We also ask a career guidance or training for self-employment for 18 to 25-year-olds.
There are Krishi Vigyana Kendra, Rural Development and Self-Employment Training Institute in Dharwad. It is providing training for rural youth in various agricultural practices like
beekeeping, dairy farming, poultry farming, sericulture, pisciculture and etc. And they are also providing craft training under Skill India. I can bring extension workers for a demo.
Okay. So we'll allocate a space for the computer lab and arrange counseling sessions. The Gram Sabha resolves to form a youth committee and request for block officials and skill initiatives. If this is over, we'll move to budget stimulation and debate.
This year, 10 lakh rupees is available. The proposals are library, healthcare, sports ground, pension camp and pond repair.
We need at least rupees 2.5 lakh for the library and tuition support.
No, at least we need 2 lakh for health and sanitation. Without it, people will suffer.
अब तो युवाओं को नजरअंदाज किया जा रहा है। आप हमें प्रति खेल किट के 1 लाख रुपए दे दीजिए और मैदान सुलभ करा दीजिए। बस काम शुरू करने के लिए इतना ही काफी है।
Our farmers are struggling. Pond repair and plantation must get at least 2 lakh.
And what about self-help group? We also need support for training and selling products.
Self-help groups and youth need us for budget also. Development is not only about drains and ponds. Today's youth are tomorrow's citizens. If we develop youth, the country can also develop very fast.
If a pond repair is not funded, harvest will fail. Agriculture is the backbone of India. If it is neglected, how can our country develop? Every time, government is forgetting about the farmers. So, I would like to request, first concentrate on agriculture. Forget Mela, forget kids, सब खाली हो जाएगा.
If youths have no skill or recreation, then who will work in your fields tomorrow?
Education is foundation of children. If children cannot read and write, nothing will change in the village.
ಮಾನ್ಯ ಅಧ್ಯಕ್ಷರೇ, ಕಳೆದ 4 ತಿಂಗಳಿಂದ ನಂದು ಯಾವುದೇ ಪೆನ್ಷನ್ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಅದರ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಗೃಹಲಕ್ಷ್ಮಿ ಹಣನೂ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. ನಮ್ಮ ಪಕ್ಕದ ಮನೆ ಪಂಕಜಮ್ಗೆ 10 ಎಕರೆ ಹೊಲ ಇದೆ. ಅದಲ್ದನ ಅವ್ರ ಮಕ್ಕಳೆಲ್ಲ ಗೌರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಜಾಬ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಮತ್ತು ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ RCC ಬಿಲ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಅದಾವ. ಅಂಥವ್ರಿಗೆ ತಿಂಗಳ ಪಗಾರನೂ ಬರ್ತೈತಿ. ಅದ್ರ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಗೃಹಲಕ್ಷ್ಮಿ ಹಣನೂ ಬರ್ತೈತಿ. ನಾವು ಬಡವರು ನಮಗೇನು ಬರ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಅದಲ್ದನ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಸರ್ಕಾರ ಅಷ್ಟು ಇಷ್ಟು ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇತ್ತು. ಹಿಂಗ ನಮ್ಮ ಹೊಟ್ಟೆ ಪಾಟ್ ನಡೀತಾ ಇತ್ತು. ಆದರೆ ಈಗ ಅದು ಬಂದ್ ಆಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದೆ. ಸೆಕ್ರೆಟರಿ ಸರ್, PDO ಸರ್, ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ನಮ್ಗೆ ದೊರಕಿಸ್ಕೊಡ್ರಲ್ಲ.
Silence, silence. Let us divide fairly. Library 2.5 lakh, health 2 lakh, environment 1.75 lakh, sports 75,000 and pension camp 75,000. All committees are get something.
So now we'll move to grievance redressal. Before we conclude, are there any unsolved issues?
Yes, ma'am. I saw the street light near my house. It is still broken.
Secretary?
Noted, ma'am. Our electricians will fix that tomorrow. Please bring any written grievances to the Panchayat office. We will respond within the week.
Some families in distant hamlets still did not get meeting notices.
We sent letters to all the wards and we have announced about Gram Sabha in loudspeaker in all over village. We will ensure that all wards are notified in advance. Also, suggestion box now installed at Panchayat office.
Great. Now we'll move to resolution finalization and voting.
Final resolutions are: start library with internet corner, organize health and nutrition camps, level grounds and provide sports kits, repair roads, repair of ponds and recharge of community borewell, set up kitchen gardens, plantation in village wastelands, hold food mela with self-help group and awareness drive.
So, are all in favor?
Yes.
Majority are in favor. Resolutions passed.
Okay then. The Sabha decisions are final. We'll follow up in the next meeting. Thank you. We'll address these as well. If needed, a follow-up will be held in Ward Sabha in next 2 weeks for any remaining issues. Respected members of Gram Sabha, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, we have reached at the end of today's meeting. The discussions held and the resolutions passed are very crucial for the development and the social justice of our village. I thank each and everyone for your active participation, valuable insights and cooperation. I would also like to express my sincere gratitude to Panchayat Secretary and all the staff for working tirelessly behind the scenes for making this meeting possible and ensure everything ran smoothly. The Gram Sabha has covered all agenda items and approved the resolutions noted. With this, I adjourn the meeting. Thank you all once again. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
Thank you, children. You have performed wonderfully well. Thank you. Now, I request Panchayat Secretary of Karakappa Village Panchayat, Srimati Geeta Hurkadli Madam, to speak few words about today's program. Please, ma'am.
गुरुब्रह्मा गुरुविष्णु ಗುರುದೇವೋ ಮಹೇಶ್ವರ ಗುರು ಸಾಕ್ಷಾತ್ ಪರಬ್ರಹ್ಮ ತಸ್ಮೈ ಶ್ರೀ ಗುರುವೇ ನಮಃ ಅಂತ ಗುರುವಿನನ್ನು ಮೊದಲಿಗೆ ನೆನೆಸುತ್ತಾ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳು ನಿಜವಾಗ್ಲೂ ಮುದ್ದಾಗಿ ಮಾಡಿದಿರಿ ಗ್ರಾಮ ಸಭೆನ. ನಿಜವಾಗ್ಲೂ ಒಂದು ಹಳ್ಳಿ, ಒಂದು ಸಿಟಿ, ಒಂದು ಏನಾದರೂ ಉದ್ಧಾರ ಆಗಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಎಲ್ಲವೂ ಬೇಕು. ಹಾಸ್ಪಿಟಲ್ಲು ಬೇಕು, ನೀರು ಬೇಕು. ಮೊದಲು ಆರೋಗ್ಯ ಇದು ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಹಾಸ್ಪಿಟಲ್ ಬೇಕು, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಕುಡಿಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ನೀರು ಬೇಕು, ಹವಾ ಗಾಳಿ ಎಲ್ಲವೂ ಬೇಕಾದರೆ ಒಂದು ಈ ಥರ ಗ್ರಾಮ ಉದ್ಧಾರ ಆಗಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಗ್ರಾಮ ಸಭೆಗಳು ಬೇಕು, ಗ್ರಾಮಗಳು ಬೇಕು. ಗ್ರಾಮದಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುವಂಥ ಜನರನ್ನ ಮೋಟಿವೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಮತ್ತು ಸರ್ಕಾರದಿಂದ ಅದಕ್ಕಾಗಿ ಗ್ರಾಂಟು ಬರಬೇಕು. ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಕರೆ ನಿಜವಾಗ್ಲೂ ಮುದ್ದಾಗಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿ. ಮುದ್ದು ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ನನ್ನ ಪೂರ್ವಕವಾಗಿ ವಿನಂತಿಯನ್ನು ಹೇಳ್ತೇನೆ. ನನಗೆ ಮಾತಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಅವಕಾಶ ಕೊಟ್ಟಂತ ತಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕರಿಸುತ್ತಾ ನನ್ನ ಮಾತನ್ನು ಮುಗಿಸ್ತೇನೆ. ಜೈ ಹಿಂದ್.
ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು ಮೇಡಮ್. ತಮ್ಮ ಹಿತವಾದ ಮಿತವಾದ ನುಡಿಗಳಿಂದ ನಮ್ಮ ಮುದ್ದು ಮಕ್ಕಳನ್ನ ಹುರಿದುಂಬಿಸಿದಂತ ಗೀತಾ ಮೇಡಮ್ ಅವರಿಗೆ ವಿದ್ಯಾಲಯದ ಎಲ್ಲರ ಪರವಾಗಿ ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು. ಈಗ ನಮ್ಮ ಮಕ್ಕಳನ್ನ ಕುರಿತಾಗಿ ಅವರ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮದ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಹಾಗೂ ಗ್ರಾಮ ಪಂಚಾಯತ್ ಏನೇನು ಸೌಲಭ್ಯಗಳನ್ನು ಜನರಿಗೆ ಒದಗಿಸುತ್ತದೆ ಅನ್ನೋದರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ಮಾಹಿತಿ ನೀಡಬೇಕಂತ ನಾನು ಕ್ಯಾರಕೊಪ್ಪ ಗ್ರಾಮ ಪಂಚಾಯತಿನ ಪಂಚಾಯತ್ ಅಭಿವೃದ್ಧಿ ಅಧಿಕಾರಿಗಳಾದ ಶ್ರೀಮತಿ ಅನಿತಾ ಹಿರೇಮಠ್ ಮೇಡಮ್ ಅವರನ್ನ ಸಭೆಗೆ ಆಹ್ವಾನಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇನೆ.